Hey, good morning, guys. How you doing? It's 8:50 a.m. on Monday, the 17th of September. And over the weekend, there was an awesome Litecoin summit where Token Pay was featured. And the presentation Derek Capo gave for Token Pay was awesome. Really awesome. And they dropped this slideshow that you can look at that presents everything that they're going to do over the next year or so. And it's really awesome because they're addressing the corporate situation and personal. So they're doing industry or corporate finance, but also personal finance. So here's just slide one of the Token Pay vision. They have the bank, the private exchange, and then they have the blockchain tech. And then they have the corporate for the merchant payable platform, and then they have the personal. All right, here it shows the team members. There's 8 members in the USA, Philippines, 10 in Costa Rica, 15 in Romania. All right, it shows the Token Pay blockchain. All right, proof of stake with a reward. None of the other coins have that. All right, staking 5%. Transactions since launch. As you can see, there's more and more transactions every day. Here's where it gets good. I'm going to talk about the Token Pay merchants. Make it easy for merchants to accept T-Pay and other currencies. So the thing about Token Pay is that not only are they going to accept Token Pay with the merchant platform, but they're going to also use other cryptos. So Token Pay is going to hold other cryptocurrencies as well as Token Pay. Now here's Ethan, which is the decentralized, the DEX. Alright, non-custodial, right? They have no coins on here. They will not be holding any of the coins. You and another party will be making the exchanges. Alright, privacy is important, which is why Ethan will utilize advanced privacy protection such as Tor, stealth addresses, ring signatures, confidential transactions, and ring CTs. Alright, you will get Ethan coins if you have Token Pay to increase liquidity. And then here is Token Swiss, centralized exchange with fiat settlements, privacy coin certificates. Alright, so it's basically like an ETF without being an ETF. Direct to exchange Token Swiss products will be available in the Token Pay network via our network of exchanges. And then here's Token Escrow. Alright, which is basically a trustee service. We are prepared to diversification of crypto assets from collectibles to collections to vanity game items. It will offer support and options for buyers and sellers. Alright, so that's an amazing feature as well. Entertainment and branding, token gaming, crypto bet. Alright, this will be very popular. Both of these will be extremely popular. And then consider the fact that you can cash out within the same ecosystem. I mean, it just makes it that much more common sense. And then there's esports. There's a apparel store. Earner.com, which is going to be like Fiverr. Alright. Low fees. Alright. They're coming out the mobile wallet soon. Alright. They have the bank. So, I mean, this is really the most comprehensive, by far, the most comprehensive cryptocurrency ecosystem that's out now. That's coming in the next year. Nothing is even close. This is by far by far the most comprehensive cryptocurrency ecosystem. So that's why you see my staking wallet is down there, down in the taskbar. Been staking ever since. Alright, now this is one of the token sales that I believe is going to be amazing. That's coming up tomorrow. Alright, starting tomorrow. And it's called Civil. And it's all about journalism. Alright, it's an amazing project. I recommend you check it out. You have to go to tokenfoundry.com to apply. And in order to qualify to even buy it, you have to answer a series of questions. It's like a multiple choice quiz. And you have to answer the questions. You have to pass the test. And then they have to approve you. So there's a floor, there's a level that you have to be competent in crypto. They have to approve you. So there's a level you have to reach to be able to even buy it. So that's a good part of it. Alright, there's no bonus tokens. You have to agree also that you're going to spend a certain amount of tokens on the platform. Okay. So let's just go over the project a little bit, right? Purpose-built platform. Journalism is a fundamental pillar of civil society. User organizations around the world are in crisis like never before. Meanwhile, media platforms like Google and Facebook are thriving thanks to a programmatic advertising model that reaps the vast majority of the ecosystem's revenue while surreptitiously harvesting and selling people's personal data. Civil is a radically new media platform, purpose-built for journalism, where journalists and citizens own and operate the means of production and can focus first and foremost on serving the public good. Alright, so this is what I like most about it. Alright, this is what I find most important about it, because right now we have, like they're saying, the Google and Facebook ad model. Alright, you have a lot of clickbait websites, and then you just have the overall ad revenue model that the mainstream media uses. And decentralization. Civil aims to unite all the global efforts for independent, sustainable journalism into one. Something so profound should not and could not possibly ever be owned and controlled by any single company, institution, or government. Instead, Civil should be fair, transparent, and self-governed. Civil uses a foundational rule set called the Civil Constitution to establish the platform's purpose, values, and ethics, that enforces and evolves these standards using blockchain and crypto economics. Permanent archives. On Civil, journalists have owned their content outright, and with blockchain technology, they can record their work permanently beyond the reach of censorship, litigation, or insolvency. No one can unplug archives on Civil because blockchain makes it nearly impossible to delete or hack without a consensus of a massive independent network. This makes Civil a powerful tool when confronting governments, corporations, or billionaires hell-bent on controlling the news. Alright, so here's the Civil Constitution, Civil Registry, and you can all download and read the Civil Constitution and Civil Registry. Alright, and here's press. Alright, the team. Alright, so this is based in America. So, and here's the advisors. Here's the white paper, 4 ways to use Civil. Let's check it out. But yeah, guys, I recommend you check this out. It's an Ethereum-based coin, but this is going to be outstanding in my opinion. I don't know how much money or how profitable it will be, but I'm interested just because of its social value and the potential social value it has. So this is something to check out as well. Alright, StakeCube update. I'm still rocking and rolling. Alright, I'm about to have 5 LGS sitting, and I also have 11 masternode slots for LGS. So, I keep growing, and eventually I'll just build up enough to where I can get my own masternode. Once you get 1,000 LGS, you can start your own masternode. So that's kind of the goal. I'd like to get my own masternode, or if I have enough, I'd rather just, what was it, 10? No, 110, 11. Just get 100 slots, 100 masternode slots. So that's kind of the goal, and to just keep growing the account. And then here and there, I take a little bit out to get more T-Pay, to get more Electronium, get more ZIL, mainframe, so on and so forth. So that's what I do. Like I said, I use it to fund building positions in other coins. And the market, 200 billion. Bitcoin fell off a table this morning. Not sure what happened. But if you notice here, this is something that we haven't seen in a while. And it's a highly variable market. Alright, we have some that are up, some that are down, which has not happened in a long time. We're used to seeing a lot of either all up, all down. So that tells me something is up, possibly. I don't have any proof of this. This is just total speculation on my part. Alright, Tether's up 2% almost. So that's the market for today, guys. Anyway, I have to run, so I will check you guys out later, and have a great day. Please check out StakeCube, check out Civil. It's very important that you do, especially if you're in the US, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.